Hi, Oliver Harris, best affiliate on the planet. Now, what we're going to look at today is how we're going to link our calendar to the mobile app that High Level gives to you for free. This is one of the cooler things, I think, personally, that High Level give you. They give you basically a mobile app that doesn't say High Level anywhere for free that you can log into, and basically you have the software in the palm of your hand. And what's cool about this, not only does it benefit you as an agency owner, you can give this mobile app to your clients and they'll have access to their account. They can go back and forward, message back and forward with their customers through the mobile app without having to log into the software with a laptop or anything like that. Now, the mobile app has a lot of features that I'm gonna make a separate video on. So basically today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna get the app, how you're gonna link everything up, and yeah, let's get things going. So first things first is you want to go on the App Store and get this app here called Lead Connector, okay? Once the app downloads, you sign into Lead Connector with the same credentials of your High Level account, okay? So then as an agency owner, you can flick through everyone's sub account through the app. And also, whenever you set an internal notification via the automation section, you'll get the notification on your phone, which is pretty cool. And you may be wondering, how do your clients get access to the app and log in so they got access to their account? So I'm gonna show you. So let me go into my example sub account. So let's say you've built this sub account for a client. Website's done, everything's done, and they're happy and you want to give them access to the account now. What you do is you go to settings, you go to my staff, you click add employee, you fill your client's name, maybe your client's name is John. I don't know why I always use John. I don't know why. John, let's go as simple as it comes. John Smith. And this is the important field here, the email. You want to make sure you put their email in. And whenever you put their email in, once you've saved this at the bottom, whatever you put in this email section, they will get emailed automatically. They will get emailed login credentials to log into this sub account. Now, those email credentials that they get, they'll log into Lead Connector with the same credentials, okay? So let me quickly talk you through the mobile app and I'll put it on screen here. Okay, so now we're on the mobile app here, okay? So the first tab here is our notifications. Anyone that's booked anything with us, we can look through them here. We can change location. We can change through sub-accounts as well, the agency owner. But if this was your clients, they can only look at their account. We can filter through the type and all those sort of things. But I'm going to go through that later on. Second tab here, we've got our conversations tab where we can go back and forth, text our clients, text them, we can email them, we can do anything we want, and we can call them there. Here is very cool, we can create a tap to pay. So what happens is, once I type a number, I've got £2 here, I press review, I go to payment instrument, and I press tap to pay. Client can tap their phone on my phone and process payment, or they can tap their card on my phone and process payment, which is pretty cool. Now here's the one. You can look at all your calendar. You can look at your calendar, who's booked on at what time, and join the meeting. Okay, from the mobile app, in this fourth section at the bottom here. Okay, we can look at our calendars from different sub accounts, and it's very easy to use. I think that's pretty cool. And once you've signed into your sub account, whenever someone books, it automatically comes on the app. So there's nothing for you to do. The app and the software are completely linked. The last section is all the leads. This is the contact section in the software, is right here. And of course on the app you could do many more things, but I'm just gonna keep it short. So that's how we're gonna use the mobile app to link everything up. So that's why you need to download the mobile app, get everything linked up from the software on your laptop or computer to the mobile app, which makes everything 10 times easier, okay? So make sure you download the Lead Connector, get everything set up. If you sign up through High Level through my affiliate link, you get all these benefits here. I'll help answer any questions you have, plus you get all the other benefits there. Like the video, and yeah, that's it.